Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new library and a project with the correct frame size. Choose 16, 9 for standard video. Next, import clips using Command-I or drag directly into an event so you can sort fast. Once imported, skim and mark favorite ranges with I and O. This saves you time when you assemble the timeline. Make sure to set your project frame rate to match your clips, because mismatched frame rates cause stutter or retiming issues later. Now assemble your story on the magnetic timeline. Drag favorite ranges into the project and let clips snap into place. Use the tool to move clips, press B to cut, and open the Precision Editor for frame-accurate trims. This is how you refine pacing. Once your structure is solid, add transitions and use stabilization on shaky shots. Then assign roles such as dialogue or music to simplify audio mixing. Make sure to save versions. As you go, finish by balancing color and audio. Open the color inspector, correct exposure with color wheels, then finesse contrast using curves. Apply a LUT only after primary correction. For sound, reduce noise, set levels with the inspector, and use roles to export stems like dialogue versus music. When exporting, pick a share preset, H. 264 for quick delivery, ProRes for high quality, and double-check settings like resolution and bitrate. If export fails, check disk space and render background tasks. Clear render files and retry.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.